Hi, this is Reilly, the internet's more experimental music nerd. I was just a wee lad when Kubrick's masterpiece 2001 The Space Odyssey hit the screens. I was far too young to see it, but my older brother Phil wasn't and raved about it. Later, when I was 13, he bought me the soundtrack for Christmas, obviously with a view to playing it himself. I immediately took to Richard Strauss's Also sprach Zarathustra and Johann Strauss's The Blue Danube, but much of the record was really weird. But as I had only a couple of records at the time, I played it anyway. This music had no rhythm or melody, just large, long clusters of notes. But after many plays, I then got used to it, and then finally found it interesting enough to skip over the more traditional works on the album. This strange music was in fact by one of the 20th century's most influential composers, the Hungarian György Ligeti, not only on avant-garde classical music, but also on the emerging ambient music for two very specific reasons. Sound was more prominent than melody or even harmony, and this sound was presented in vast vertical layers which were in fact too dense to fully comprehend. The effect is a huge cold razor shaving your spine. What better music to accompany the ice-cold beauty of outer space? Legend has it that Kubrick had commissioned Alex North, who'd scored his film Spartacus, to compose music for 2001, but in the meantime, Kubrick used a working tape of music he was listening to at the time to edit the film too, only to realise this would actually suit the film brilliantly. It's now hard to imagine 2001 having the same impact had it been scored by Alex North, and I have in fact just checked out his score opening the film, and I couldn't help to expect the image of the Earth from space to fade into fighting gladiators. I thank you for listening, value any comments, and György Ligeti.